white. So we have a scanner used in Thailand for propeller design. So basically, this scanner can even scan everything, but of course, normally we use only for large object. Because a smaller object, you can use a smaller scanner with lower spec, which lower in cost. Okay, so this scanner basically will call it a terrestrial laser scanner, which means they can scan in a long range. Okay. Of course, actually scanner can use in some of the firm industry, like this example basically, we can see is the line of pine. Okay, so this firm basically they use some of our scanner to scan the tiger, the boat and everything and create a model for them. Okay. So we also use the scanner actually to do in some accident investigation. So even the law enforcement now, they're also using scanner for these purposes. So this example that scanner used in Singapore for crime scenes analysis. So this is another usage of scanner which they use a lot in heritage preservation. So why we want to scan all the important heritage sites? Because if we just using normal method, we just do a normal 2D survey and photo, basically once the structure is spoiled, you can't duplicate until, I wouldn't say 100%, you say 90 or 95% is impossible because what you see is only based on a photo or a 2D plane. So 3D scanner would be the perfect things actually to document everything of your site, and everything is spoiled, actually you can repair it until 99 or actually 100%. Okay. Okay, last part basically I just share with you some of our customer, how they use the scanner in Malaysia industry. So beside of the beam. Okay, so actually a lot of them are related to survey or measurement purposes, but the main thing they are concerned is what conventional equipment they are hardly to do. So for example, this customer basically they're using the scanner to scan all the power plant site, because this all power plant site they got so many piping area over here. So using conventional method, basically you are hardly to get every single measurement over there and within a very short time. Okay. So basically this is how the process they are doing. Scan the site. Okay. Actually this is the point cloud they are producing. So some people they need it for 3D model, some they doesn't. Some basically they just need all the point information extract out from there. So basically they can just pick up what is the point they want. Okay. So export out to AutoCAD. Basically we can do the drawing in an AutoCAD, we come back a 2D plan. Okay, so this is how the plan look like. Of course, the customer also have a 3D result as a documentation, so easier for them to reference anytime in the future. Okay. So slope failure. So some customers basically use the scanner to scan the slope. So why scanner is very useful in this kind of situation? Basically, is because the slope failure site basically is very dangerous. Okay, so if you survey there 2-3 days, basically it will slide again. So basically, the shorter time you are staying over there, the safer you are. So basically, they just go there, do some simple scan. Okay, so just few scan basically will get you enough of data of the volume that they need to clear out, and also the height of the drawing, actually what kind of a level that they have for the landslide area. Okay, so this information is sufficient for them basically to plan and actually go through the job to repairing the slope failure. So some customer also buy the scanner actually for forestry or plantation research. Okay, so this one I just share with you. So basically they can scan and create a model even for the tree. So oil and gas is another very heavy application of laser scanner. So basically, as you can see, a structure like this chemical plant, you are really going to be heavy using a conventional tools because inside they got tons of the piping going from up to down, left to right. So you are unable actually to capture all the data using a conventional tools. So by scanner, because of the scanning rate is so fast, so that's why we can use the scanner to capture every single thing we want inside the plant and create all the result in 3D. Okay. So some people also use the scanner for renovation work, okay? Because some of the things are not easy basically to measure using a conventional tools. So basically this customer, they need it, the drawing for the upper part of the National Science Center. But a normal tools basically are very hard to measure precisely on the upper part. So basically we use a scanner, we put the scanner even on a sky lift, okay? And scan the upper part of the National Science Center. Okay, so actually, if you pass by National Science Center, you'll find out now already fully renovate. Okay, so a lot of measurement basically using our scanner to scan and get the measurement data, so that they can planning and order the material that we want and to be delivered to the site. Okay, so each measurement basically we can pick it up using our software. And also the exterior design, every single measurement they can scan, basically, and pick up the dimension. So this is one of the example of architect and heritage. So basically, this is a Masjid Negara. Basically, as you can see, the structure of Masjid Negara is quite complex. Basically, if you are using conventional method, actually it's not so easy to survey the site. So basically, customer are using the 3D scanner and scan everything. Okay, and after that, we still have some application for reverse engineering. Okay, for ship making or for building strata. Okay, so that's all actually for the case study that been used by our customer for 3D laser scanner. So I believe at least it gives you a lot of information that actually how normally customer using a 3D scanner and how a 3D laser scanner basically can use it in a BIM industry. Okay, so before I end up this section, any question?
Any question?
Yeah.
You can ask first. Just now you showed about the slopes failure.
Yeah.
What sort of difference between your approach and the approach that I come across that people are using drone to do 3D mapping?
Okay.
Slope stability also.
Yes.
What's the difference between this approach and your approach?
I would say that drone actually even is a tool that easier to access to the site, but the accuracy is not there. So if you are looking for accuracy that we are so-called mapping rate, so the drone basically can give you maybe 20 to 30 cm accuracy. So if you need a more precise measurement until a survey grade accuracy, then you need a scanner or other tools. Basically, a scanner will give you a 1 to 2 cm accuracy. That is the main difference. Yeah.
And another thing is when you're doing the in-house building inspection, let's say you're doing assessment.
Yeah.
Just now you say that we need to run a few rounds to detect the cracking or anything.
Yes.
Is it possible to detect any like moisture or any other thing for building inspection?
They need, but of course, they are not so intelligent to be directly detected. So some of the customers that use this scanner, they actually integrate with others software and sensor together in a tunnel monitoring. So when they go around and scan in the tunnel, basically they can detect all the crack inside the tunnel and things like that. But they need to be cooperate with other third-party software. They cannot done it by themselves.
You cannot buy this company like the software cannot.
They can, but it's quite manual. Actually, you just scan and actually each scan you go and see whether there is crack or not. So it's not automatically.
Okay.
Yeah.
How long do you take normally to convert your data point cloud to the 3D models?
It depends how big the job you're doing the scan.
Yeah.
So for example, I'm talking about you're doing 50 scans for one building. Okay, so most probably you need 1 day or 2 days basically to do all the data, we call data registration, basically to register all the scanning data in place. Okay.
Any more questions from the floor? Maybe you can proceed.
Okay, so if no question, basically last part, I just do a simple scan to show you actually how a scanning looks like. Okay. So just allow me 5 minutes to set up.